Hello everyone, I'm creating a job listing application using MongoDB database. Let's get further into this. So for creating this job listing application, I'm using a Python framework that is known as Flask. As you can see on the top left side corner, I have 6 multiple files. So under the templates folder, I have 5 multiple files that are the HTML file, and I have a different app.py file that is used to store all my Python codes. So in the starting 3 lines, the functions that I've imported here is the first line is basically importing necessary modules and function from Flask to create a web application that render templates and handle requests. In the second line, I have imported the Mongo client class from the PyMongo library, which is used to interact with the MongoDB. And in the third line, I have imported the object ID class from the Bison module, which is used to handle MongoDB object IDs. And the line app is equal to Flask name. This line basically creates a Flask application instance named app. So now I have created a database and collection manually in my MongoDB compass, which I've named here. So the database name is job listing database and the collection name is job. Through this local host, I have connected both these databases that I've created in my MongoDB compass. The local host number for all the user is almost the same. Now the app route, that is the URL path for redirecting it to the web page. So the function that I've used here is add job. Suppose in future for my web application, if I want to add multiple jobs for the users, so using this function I can add jobs using insert one operation. Next thing is view job. So if in future I want to see what are the job options available in my applications, so using this view job command I can see what are the job availables. So using job collection dot find, I can see all the job offers that will be available in my website. Now coming to the third function that I've added in my application is delete job. If suppose I want to delete a job that I've filled in my web page, then I can delete it using this delete command, that is delete one. That will this delete one command basically delete one document at a time, and then in my web page it will pop up a message that job deleted successfully. Now I have this update job. That is, using this update job command I can update whatever jobs that I've added. If I want to make changes, example if I want to change the salary of that particular job title, so using this job update job command I can update the salary or the title of that particular tag, that is update one. Through update one command we can only update one document at a time, and then in the web page it will redirect a message that job updated successfully. I have used the set operator here to change it to the new thing whatever I'm providing based on the past history. I'm using all this post command in all this dev functions so that it will redirect it from the user and then show it into the front end. So this is my front end, that is the web application that I've created that start with welcome to job listing application. I have multiple features, that is add job, view job, update job, create and delete. That is basically like it contains all the CRUD operation that the NoSQL database has. So coming to the add job, as you can see I can add the title, description, salary, location and the company name. As soon as I enter and then if I click on this add job, it will add this particular thing to my database. So Now coming to this view job. In this view job, whatever things I have added, it displays in my web page. As you can see, I have this delete option and the update option. So if I click on this particular thing, it will pop up a message that are you sure you want to delete this job? Then if I click OK, it deletes it, and you can see the job deleted successfully. It gives a pop-up message. So if I want to update, example, if I want to update the location or the salary of this particular job, like this electrical engineer, so I can click on update, and then if I click on this, I can change the amount. For example, before it was 40,000. If I want to update the price or increase the price of this particular client, I can increase it to 50,000. I can change even the location. For example, before it was Mumbai, I can update it now to Kolkata. So this is how it works, and you can see that it pops up some message that job updated successfully. This is how my web page look like. Hope it's interactive and user friendly. So it's all about the web page that I've created. This is a multi-listing job applications where you can find all the jobs that usually people search for. So, talking about my MongoDB local host, I have this job listing database and a collection named jobs. As you can see, I have 3 documents that I've inserted through my front end, and it stores in my database. So this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video.